This week we're making mango and cherry smoothie bowl, and I'm gonna show you a hack how to use smoothie leftovers. First, let's make a smoothie. Into my blender, I'm adding 1 fresh banana, equal parts of mango and cherry, 1 cup of cherry and 1 cup of mango. Blend everything together till it's smooth. You don't need to add any liquid to the smoothie. It comes out really creamy. Place it into the bowl and top it with your favorite toppings. I have sunflower pumpkin seeds with cranberries. If you made too much smoothie or you can finish it, you can make fruit pastel. Grab your baking sheet and cover it with parchment paper. Place your fruit puree or leftover smoothie and try to smooth it out so it will be even. Preheat the oven 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 79 degrees Celsius and bake it for several hours. I baked mine for 4 hours. While it's baking, make sure to keep an eye on it and check frequently. If the layer of your fruit puree was too thick, you would need a little bit more time. After it's baked, wait till it cools down. Cut the parchment paper with fruit pastel on it. I tried measuring but gave up right away. Roll your fruit pastel and keep it refrigerated. But I don't think it would last. This batch was gone after 5 minutes I finished filming. In Central Asia, it's called pastilla. In Armenia, pastel is called pastel. In Greek, it's called pastilis. In Turkey, they call it bastık. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!